employee productivity and we are now open for questions. Hi vlog. This is us before our thesis speech presentation. Good luck. Tapos na kami sa discussion room. Babalik na. 아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 Di namin mahanap yung conference room kung saan. Or at least walang tao sa mga conference room here.
대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만
Ayun, na-joke kayo mo si Sirius. So transparent. Kita Frankie. Meal number 2. Ay, 3 na pala to. Meal number 3. Ilya. Tama nga pala. Items lang. Tapos kami rin mag-check. Martin! Dude! How was it?
Good stuff.
Lolo. Feel ko meron yan. May gusto ba kayo sabihin before the thesis thing? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayan. Nag-harvest siya.
Harvest? Anong game?
Gardenscapes.
Yes, I'm ready.
So, matapos.
A few moments later.
This is us after. Any thoughts? Oh no. That is Oh my gosh, we did it. We finally did it. We did it. Dito na ako sa condo. Wait lang. Ito yung take out from the lunch kanina kasi binigay na sa akin ng thesis mates ko kasi alam nila ako yung may PE next subject. Kailangan ko na kumain. Galing rin naman dyan yung binili ko kanina. But anyways, oh my god. We're starting thesis, right? Like, siguro dahil other than the fact na onti lang yung panelists dun sa room, there were only 2. Narinig namin nung una like 10, 5, or more. Basta 2 lang sila. Thesis proposal is approved and defended. They even did this. Ang sabi nga ng thesis mate ko, walang question si panelists other than sino yung gusto namin maging thesis prof. And kami rin yung nagtanong ng comments and suggestions about them. But anyway, it's so hot. So hot. Madali ako. Ayun. Kita niyo may pawis na yan. Woo! This is the clubhouse and cheese quesadilla. May anghang siya. So, pero try natin syempre. Change location, hindi ko na kaya yung in. Sumapat na ako kung saan may fan and walang tao sa condo kasi they're out celebrating my sister's birthday. I can't go to, well, I don't have the time to go to Ayala Mall and doon sila ngayon nag-celebrate. And I was like, I hope my sister's happy celebrating right now. That is what I wish for. Kaya makapunta doon ngayon kasi may susunod na class pa ako, which is the exact opposite of my class, right? And of the event kanina. Kanina yung thesis proposal. We have a game later. We have a towel, swimming clothes, and pampalet. Yung pampalet, hindi ko na siya ilalagay dito kasi susuotin ko na rin siya mamaya. Or either yung swimming clothes susuotin ko. Masaya ko pa rin. I'm just so happy. Kanina medyo kinakabahan ako kami. Ang sarap! Di mo makapagkwento na baka sarap. Sobrang bilis na yung thesis proposal pero the preparation we had for that is immense. And since nandito na rin naman tayo sa condo. So, tatabi na rin ako para pagdating ng mga kapatid ko. The Alamo celebration, I will be surprising them with a gift of a clean condo place. Look at this, by the way. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-decorate dito ng mga ice cream and for like Christmassy stuff. This is all made by my mom. It's a blazer. I was supposed to wear that, but I didn't. I used the glue na lang. My mom still cares a lot and is very hands-on sa amin. Something we're very blessed about. As in, sometimes nagiging reliant na ako sa kanya. Pero please, she makes our lives so much easier and so much full of joy. Yun naman. Ang ganda. Just a small appreciation moment to my mom. Mwah! Hi! Dito na naman tayo sa bathroom ko. Pinalitan ko na. Sobrang ubos na ang look ko. Napa-skincare routine ako ng 1 oras. Then may swimming tayo up next. And I recently just posted my skincare routine, the whole routine, if you guys are interested in any way. Kasi sobrang advocate ako taking care of our skin. Yeah, naantok ako. Pero ito na pa mag-ising ko yung skincare routine. So let's go. Swimming essentials, we have my one-piece swimsuit, shampoo, and then conditioner. Kasi sobrang lakas ng chlorine sa pool, guys. As in, nadi-dehydrate ng todo yung hair ko. Nakakasad. Pero kailangan talaga yan. Then water, refill ko to later. Graded goggles. Your girl has poor eyesight. Wala tayong makikita sa pool pag kilingan. And swimming cap, super essential and required. Mandatory, hindi pwedeng wala nito. You can't swim to swimming pool without those. Towel, pampalit, and then pampalit. Extra goggles just in case someone needs. Pero hindi to graded. Kaya hindi ko yung ginagamit. Ito talaga ginagamit ko. I just bought this sa Shopee for around 400 pesos. And hinanap ko talaga yung graded goggles na hindi ganun kamahal. Kasi kailangan ko lang rin for this swimming. And that's it. Smartwatch, okay. Nanalo kami, guys. Yun lang. Say hi. Tapos na ako. We are in Calamba na. Ang daming tao sila. Hi! Hi, Turin! Ang daming Philippine flag. Super kita, oh. Tapos katapat lang mismo nung bahay ni Rizal is yung church na pupuntahan namin. Say hi, Mai!
Hello!
Hi! Tayo. Sila tayo. My sweet tooth. Balik sa house ni Rizal. Pinunta lang namin na mabilis yung church. Tapos, malulobot ako nito eh. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hi guys, time check 10:15 AM. Rar! So hot. Pero dito kami sa tapat ng tallest Rizal. Kakain na! Bumili kami ng souvenir. Ay, souvenir. Tama. Pasalubong. Ube halaya, 1.8 is 80. Tapos, si charon is... Wow! Sinintay na lang daw namin. Dito pa talaga ako nag-cup noodles. Na-influence ko na siyang bumili ng soup.
Actually, kanina ko pa siya inaay eh.
Ah, ito. Yun yung sabi ko kay Joanne. Gusto ko na mainit.
Ano sabi mo?
Mainit? Eh, mainit na. Kaya ice cream yung gusto niya. So, yun.
Kasi ngiti mo lang, busog na ako. Last day lang to.
Ilagay mo sa agit. The lucky drop!
Okay, wait lang. Huwag nang pause, huwag nang pause. Alis na tayo sa frame. Para yung cathedral lang.
Akala ko tayo picture.
Cathedral lang.
Uy,
Tapos,
tara na, may
eh,
entrance yung Fort Santiago. Enter na kami, Fort Santiago. I think I've been here before. Wow. Let's go. Ang ganda na dito. Tingnan niyo to. Look at this. Look at this. This bridge, this view, this place. Ito na lang pala yung sa loob ng dulo ng Fort Santiago. Pabalik na kami sa hall. A whole new world. Fantastic point of view. Let's know where to go. Ito yung summary ng field trip. Kapag may kumanta, susunod na lahat. It's a place I've never knew. And now I'm in a whole new world. Tapos na-copyright dahil. Okay. Philippine Eagle. Ah, it's a Philippine Eagle. Haring Ibon. Let's go. Oh my God. As itinerary, Luneta Park.
See?
And it goes a little something like